Going on today, bro?
Just trying to see if we can get a $260 BMW to beat a $40,000.
That's right. That was that eBay purchase, right?
Yeah.
Do the best you can for $200. That you can't beat that. All right then, bro. He purchased this car for $200. So it is stock, I believe. He upgraded, you know, the seats. I'm not too sure on suspension, but it was a $266 eBay purchase, and we're about to watch him track it. He's gonna go against all these other builds and see how it goes. All right, so right now they're doing their warm-up laps. We're just gonna go and get a pit pass real quick so I can do a ride along with them, and then hopefully we get to meet some new drivers today, see what they got going on. Yeah, $200 build.
Why does he do that?
Oh, you said $200?
Yeah, $200. Yeah. We got this sound. Ooh, look at that. I don't know how that's performing out here, but yeah, I think it sounds nice.
Just trying to get a feel for the suspension.
So what's the plans with this? Is it all budget or?
Probably not. I think we're gonna go. It's kind of a budget to start out, but I think it's gonna.
That's a hell of a budget, bro. $266.
Yeah.
So how did that work? How did you guys purchase that, or like what?
There's an auction site on eBay.
Okay, okay.
And, they start at $250. There's no reserve.
Yeah.
And they go for whatever. And every time a BMW goes up, they always just put it's broken. They don't know anything about it.
Yeah.
And they go for like nothing. So actually, I have a bunch of BMWs that I buy for like.
I could see that on your guys' channel, man.
Yeah.
I was looking at that. I was like, oh snap.
Like that blue TI, I paid $400 for. It was silver, and then
I was like, I should.
The M3 we got is actually free. But yeah, this is kind of like we're testing tuning today, get this thing built up.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna bring it to Speed Ventures next weekend and probably hit Fontana.
That's right.
Yeah, we had so many BMWs that I've always been like, these guys go spend a bunch of money at my shop to build them.
Okay.
And then I've been like, you know, why not see how little you can get away on it?
Okay.
So actually, like even the wheels.
Yeah.
Even the wheels on this car came off a 5 Series that I bought, and then I sold all the parts off the 5 Series, so it was free. So these wheels are actually free too.
Where's it rubbing front? Oh, I can see it.
Yeah, the back, this side and the back.
Yeah, you got the
big
rubber
piece of metal back there though. I didn't know it was there. So I'm either gonna like try and hit it with the baseball bat real quick.
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna have to like cut them out. But
I was like, I do got a metal bar in my truck from so if you guys do need that.
something in my truck too. I'm gonna see in between the next session if I can try and roll it.
All right, so he's about to come over here for another lap. So it's gonna suck on the passenger side due to that it's rubbing on the right side, so I'm not gonna be able to hop on. It's like the $200 bill is actually running pretty well, besides having a passenger. So let's keep seeing what happens. My helmet and everything, bro. Is it okay if I record?
Yeah, of course.
Hell yeah, man. You're not camera shy?
No.
Sweet. So what you got going on here?
Oh
snap! Now I see why it's 400 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot going on in here. So it's a 99, and so it's a BP4W. It's the BP4W head block, Wiseco pistons, rods, manly rods, manly valve, like 264 cams, I believe. We're using the FM kit all the way back.
Yeah.
And I'm running the Gen 2 2860.
Yep.
So that 22 pounds of boost in E45, it makes like 420 to the wheel.
How much was that coil pack, bro?
I think it was like $400, and it came with the bracket, the coil packs, came with everything you need.
Nice.
The only thing you have to cut out yourself.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So, let me ask you, tuned by Toby?
Yeah. I got
right,
the AD sticker in the back.
That's right, yeah.
Toby built this. He built this. I got the K Miata diff, or the K Miata trans, the V8 Roadster diff. He did everything.
All All right, man. So what kind of laps you trying to push? What's your limit?
If I can get down to 42, I'd be stoked.
All right.
When it was making 260, we were running 42s before.
Hell yeah.
Then we went for 400, and now I've been running like 43s, 44s. It's just a lot of car.
Hell yeah.
And then with the new gearing from the trans and the rear end, it's been a lot of sorting. So what do you think? Feels like 400?
Hell yeah, this thing feels like 400.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and pull up top.
Something, a used vet, but
hell no, fuck the Corvette.
instead I built a fast fucking Miata.
Holy snap, wait till Toby sees this, man. Have you sent him any videos or no?
Yeah, dude, I mess around on the freeway a lot with this thing.
Oh,
and
I bet, man. Hey, man, if I ever see you, I ain't gonna be, I'm gonna back out. I'm like, I don't even know this guy, man.
Dude, I've tried my best to keep it looking stock.
Oh, yeah,
right?
you did a freaking hell of a job, bro. What's up, man? What you guys got going on here?
This is his Miata right here.
Oh, snap. Hey, man.
Dude, welcome to the new drug.
Are you boosted?
Nah, it's all stock.
Hey, man, we'll be back. You know what I'm saying?
I don't got the money right now.
Hey, just build it up, dude. Just little by little, bro.
Just do a cheap kit, go with E45, go call Toby at Advanced Engine Dynamics.
Yeah,
you don't
he got you, man. He got you.
Like, close your eyes when you sign the check and just smile when you leave, dude. Like,
This is my Miata.
That's right. I have a Miata too.
Oh, sick.
I was like, nice. I just rode in that 400 horsepower Miata over there.
This has only got like 135.
Nice. Tuned? Anything? What you got going?
Yeah. Exhaust, it's tuned.
That's right. I'll be watching you from up here, man.
Thanks, dude.
Here's my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, man. That's the 400 horsepower Miata that you guys just saw. Then we got the Barney vehicle over here. This guy is insane. He was tracking this out today. He only made it first session, but you know, he was getting it. He did do some improvements, so we'll go from there. Alright, fam, so it looks like we're gonna cut the quits here. You know, we're gonna go home already. We had a good day today. I'm just gonna say peace out. You know, I hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe, and comment.